Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to use Airtable for resource allocation and tracking. Let's start by creating a new base. Click the Add a Base button, then select Start from Scratch. This is your foundation, your blank canvas. It's crucial because it allows us to build and customize our resource tracking system. Next up, let's create our first table. Click on the plus New Table button, name it Resources, and add relevant fields like name, task, status, and due date. The reason we do this is to categorize and keep track of all our resources in an organized manner. Now that we've done that, let's populate our table. Enter your resources and corresponding details. This helps us because with Airtable, you can keep all your data in one place, no more juggling between different spreadsheets or tools. Time for step 4. We're going to set up a view. Click on the Grid View dropdown, then select New View to create a Kanban view. Name it Task Status. This step is crucial because it allows us to visualize our resources based on their status, making it easier to allocate and track progress. Finally, let's link records between tables to establish relationships. Click on the relevant field type, select Link to another record, then choose the table you want to link with. This is a game changer because it allows us to create connections between different resources, making tracking even more efficient. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've set up your Airtable base for effective resource allocation and tracking. Remember, the key is to customize it to fit your specific needs. That's a wrap for today's tutorial. It may seem intimidating at first, but once you get the hang of it, Airtable will become an indispensable tool in your arsenal. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep it organized.